Hello students, once again I welcome you in the another session of Accountancy Class 12. Today we are going to see one of the adjustments. What happened when the excess application money rejected and refunded? That we are going to see today. Right? For example, company need 10,000 shareholders and they issued 10,000 shares to the public. But what happened? Public responded more than the expectation. It means company received 12,000 applications, suppose. Company received how much application? 12,000 applications. We require only the amount on 10,000 shares, but we received amount on 12,000 shares. Then the board of directors, they sit together and they decides that the excess application should be rejected and refunded back to the holder. So according to that decision, the things goes and accounting entries takes place. So that entries we are going to consider today. Whenever excess application money rejected and refunded back to the holder, what are the consequences? So that we are going to see today. So as I gave the example, X company issued 10,000 shares of 10 each, payable as 3 on application, 3 on allotment, 2 on first call and balance on final call. But company received money on 12,000 applications. Hence, the board of directors decided to reject and refund the excess application money. So, we are going to do this practical problem on the board, right? So first of all, we all know in application bank entry will come. The only difference is that we received 12,000 applications. So we are going to multiply it with 12,000 with its rate. 12,000 into 3, it will come 36,000. Although we require 30,000, but we received 6,000 extra. Anyhow, we received 36,000. So the supporting entry of first is bank account debited to share application account. Go through the entry which is flashed on the board. Bank account debited to share application account, and I have noted over 36,000. Because we received actually 36,000. Although we are going to keep 30,000 only, 6,000 we are going to refund. Although we received 36,000, but we require 30,000. So what we are going to do with those extra money? The second entry says that as we require only 30,000, that has to be transferred to our capital account, and whatever money we received extra, that is 6,000, 2,000 into 3, 6,000, 2,000 extra application, the rate of application is 3, to 2,000 into 3, 6,000, that has to be refunded. That's why bank is credited, because bank is the giver. Bank is the giver. Clear? So I made it in compound form. This one is the transfer entry. We all know share application account debited to share capital account 30,000, right? And as the bank refunds or returns 6,000 to the holder, back to the holder, so that's why bank credited. So this will be the compound entry, and the narration is being application money transferred on 10,000 shares and 2,000 application money rejected and refunded. So like this, whenever our application rejected and refunded, you have to pass this adjustment entry. You can take the separate entry also. Instead of 2 entry, you can make it in 3 entry. Okay, but it is suggested to study these compound entries. Okay, in future in big practicals, we are going to follow the compound entries only. So practice only compound entries, right? And after this application, other stage entries will be the same. Allotment, no change. First call, no change. Final call, no change. Right? I hope you followed how to make adjustment of rejection. See you in next video session to explore our new knowledge.